guys? It's me, LaKay Mall, coming to you from Louisiana. I am a part of the Design Essentials Louisiana team and have been in the industry for 8 years. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to use the Agave and Lavender Blow Dry and Silk Press collection. What I love so much about this collection is that it smells amazing, and then it leaves the hair so silky smooth that it is unbelievable. Stay tuned.
First, we want to start off by shampooing our hair with the Agave and Lavender Moisturizing Hair Bath. Then condition with the moisturizing detangling conditioner, working from ends to scalp. Step 3 is going to be the blow dry and style primer. Shake to activate, then distribute evenly throughout damp hair. Blow dry with the brush to create a silky, smooth, lustrous shine. Step 4 is the thermal protectant cream. Apply the cream from roots to ends in each section to ensure that the hair is properly moisturized. Flat iron or thermal style 1-inch sections using a fine tooth comb to guide your strands through your thermal tool. To preserve your silk press, it's important to wrap your hair with a silk or satin scarf at night. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.